Times Square in New York City is one of the most important commercial intersections in New York City, and a tourist destination and entertainment area for many American residents and tourists. Located in the heart of Manhattan and known as the center of the universe and the crossroads of the world, Times Square is known for never sleeping. The expansive Times Square is adorned with bright colors, with billboards covering the facades of most buildings, in addition to dozens of shops. Times Square is surrounded on all sides by a large number of New York's most important tourist attractions, most notably Madame Tussauds Times Square Church memorials in the square, Gulliver's Gate exhibition. How to get there? Nearest bus stop, 7AV/W 47th Street, nearest train station. Grand Central Terminal, nearest subway station, 49th Street. Top things to do in Times Square, New York. Be sure to start your visit to this square with an exploratory tour around the area. You may be tempted to sit on one of the designated benches and enjoy observing everything around you. Among the things you'll notice when visiting this square are some sculptures and statues scattered throughout, which you'll find great fun to see. There's a statue of Father Duffy and a statue of George Cohan. The shops that most attract walkers in the square are the gift and souvenir shops, which you will definitely not miss.